YouTube. It is Labor Day today, and that is the busiest day in Halifax. All the kids are moving in, and there's only 1% friggin' vacancy rate, so I don't even know how they're finding places to live. But it is an absolutely gorgeous day for a long weekend. This is one of my favorite parts of the entire city, and it's not even actually in Halifax. I'm in Dartmouth, and the only good thing about Dartmouth is it has the best view of Halifax. I have lived in that city for 2 years, and I've lived outside of it for 1 year, so make sure you tune in, as at least once a week I'm going to be talking to you about that Daily Nova Scotian Life. I'm going to show you where to eat, where to order in, where to park, where to live, all the crap that you need to know as a new person living in Nova Scotia, or living in Halifax specifically. For those of you that are already subscribed to the channel, there are going to be a few things different this year. As you guys know, for the past year, almost 2 years, I actually haven't shot any new videos on this channel. Basically, I had shot dozens upon dozens of videos, and then I scheduled them all in whatever patterns a year in advance. And after I lost my ad revenue from YouTube, I decided to take a bit of a break, and that break lasted a while, almost 2 years. With one exception, this past summer I did actually start up a new channel. That channel is Traveling Through History with 2 L's, where I do museum tours. Be sure to check that out. But yeah, so unlike before, where I scheduled videos in advance, this year what I'm going to do is shoot a video and upload it same day. So this time my videos are actually going to be somewhat relevant to when they're coming out, because I know like my grand tour review came out like 11 months after the grand tour did. But I'm still going to have my regular kind of videos. I'm still going to be having fun, especially with winter coming up. You're definitely going to see me throwing this car around. I'm going to try and do some humor videos, but I'm definitely going to be focusing on this lifestyle vlog thing. They seem to be really popular right now, and unlike all of the ones I've seen where it's either some like spoiled rich kid in California or some like real estate guy who's got his shit together in Manhattan, this is going to feature a poor as fuck security guard living outside of Halifax. So we'll see if people have as much interest when the person isn't filthy rich driving a Lamborghini. But I'm still going to keep a lot of the content that this channel already has. It's just I'm going to try and put a greater emphasis into doing better editing. So if you're already subscribed, please stay subscribed. Like, I'm sure you're going to keep enjoying the channel. And if you're a newbie, make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.